In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum 5 class. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we discuss about subject English Unit 13. Its topic is when something went wrong. Dear students, first of all we discuss about learning outcomes of Unit 13 Part 3. Illustrate the use of simple past and continuous tense. Recognize the function of more joining words. Identify and practice making simple sentences to show instructions, commands, requests, and strong feelings. Use of conventions of letter writing, address, date, salutation, body, and closing. Write an informal letter and formal letter of application. Write a reply to short informal letter from friends. Revise written work for layout, legibility, vocabulary. Dear student, let's we start discuss the activities. Act 2 Learning to spell. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. In these words, there are 2 letters are missing. We write these missing letter and complete the words. In the first word, F and N are missing letter. The word is made by these letters are unfortunately, excitedly, anxiously, adventurous, expect, disappointed. Now student, we discuss Act 3 Grammar. Simple past tense. The simple past tense expresses an action that happened in the past. यानी वो एक्शंस, वो अमल जो कि माजी में हो चुका है या जो वक्त गुज़र गया है, उसके लिए हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. Read the given sentences and notice the structure of the simple past tense. स्टूडेंट, ये सेंटेंसेस हैं. इन सेंटेंसेस को हमने नोट करना है कि इसमें सिंपल पास्ट टेंस बनाने के लिए हमारे पास क्या स्ट्रक्चर होगा. हफ्सा गोट हर पार्सल. दिस इज़ द एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस ऑफ पास्ट टेंस. हफ्सा डिड नॉट गेट हर पार्सल. This is a negative sentence of past tense. Did Hafsa get her parcel? This is a interrogative sentence of past tense. And this is the structure of affirmative, negative, interrogative of past tense. In affirmative, first of all we write subject, then we write past form and object. Negative, first we write subject, then we add helping verb did not, and then we use base form and object. Interrogative, first we use helping verb did, then we use subject and verb base form and add object. In the last we use question mark. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense expresses actions or events that were in progress at a particular time in the past. Past continuous tense में वो actions आते हैं जो कि ख़ास वक्त में माज़ी में किए गए हैं. Read the given sentences and notice the structure of the past continuous tense. Hafsa was reading her storybook. This is the affirmative past continuous tense. Hafsa was not reading her storybook. This is a negative past continuous sentence. Was Hafsa reading her storybook? This is a interrogative past continuous sentence. Affirmative. The structure of affirmative past continuous sentence. First of all we write subject and then we write helping verb was, were, and then we add ing with the verb form, first form of verb, and then object. Negative, subject was, were, and add not, and first form of verb and add ing and object. interrogative, was, were used at the start of the sentence and then use subject and first form verb plus ing and add object. Make 3 sentences of your own using each of the sentence mentioned above in your notebook. स्टूडेंट आपने सिंपल पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस को यूज़ करते हुए 3 sentences मेक करने हैं. Students, read your page and make sentences with simple past tense and past continuous tense. Simple past tense: Ali won the match. She did not take exercise. Did we visit Badshahi Masjid? Past continuous tense: she was stitching clothes. Mohsin was not making greeting cards. Were they learning their lesson? Dear student, make same as these sentences by using the structure of simple past tense and past continuous tense. Student, now we discuss transitional devices. Do you know about what is transitional devices? Words that link two parts of a sentence are called transitional devices. वो words जो के दो sentences के दरमियान लिंक पैदा करते हैं या लिंक क्रिएट करते हैं वो ट्रांजिशनल डिवाइसेस हैं. वी कैन लिंक टू पार्ट्स ऑफ अ सेंटेंस यूजिंग फॉर एग्जांपल एंड फॉर इंस्टेंस. हम फॉर एग्जांपल और फॉर इंस्टेंस का यूज़ करते हुए 2 sentences के दरमियान लिंक क्रिएट करते हैं. आई लाइक टू ईट हेल्दी फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल apples, bananas and spinach. The first sentence is related to the healthy food and when we use the transitional device for example and then we write these words according to the healthy foods and vegetables. I know some of the collective nouns, for instance team, class, flock and army, and these examples are show the collective nouns. Write 2 sentences of your own using for examples and for instance. I bought fruits for example apple, mango, banana, orange, etc. I saw many flowers for instance rose, jasmine, sunflower, etc. Dear student, now we discuss types of sentences. A sentence that expresses a request or command is called an imperative sentence and ends with the full stop. An instructional sentence gives advice or instructions, it ends with the full stop. An exclamatory sentence expresses great emotions or feelings, it ends with an exclamation mark. There are different types of sentences. Command sentences वो सेंटेंस है जिनमें हम कोई हुक्म देते हैं. Read the given command sentences. Show me your notebook. Go and brush your teeth. Open the door. Instructional sentences वो सेंटेंस है जिनमें हम कोई हदायत देते हैं, कोई एडवाइस करते हैं, कोई नसीहत करते हैं. Read the given instructional sentences. Take me to the market. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Turn on the fan. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस वो सेंटेंसेस जिनमें हम अपनी फीलिंग्स, अपनी इमोशंस का इजहार करते हैं. रीड द गिवन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. हुर्रा, आवर टीम वन द मैच. आउच, माई लेग इज ब्लीडिंग. ओह, यू आर लुकिंग प्रिटी. राइट 3 sentences of each kind discussed above in your notebook. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हमने कमांड सेंटेंसेस, इंस्ट्रक्शनल सेंटेंसेस और एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस के 3 sentences मेक करने हैं. कमांड सेंटेंसेस. शट द डोर. गो एंड टेक योर ब्रेकफास्ट. शो मी योर बुक. इंस्ट्रक्शनल सेंटेंसेस. डू योर वर्क केयरफुली. टेक मी टू द गार्डन. टर्न ऑन द बल्ब. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. She, we won the cricket match. Wow, what a nice car. Oh, no, I lost my purse. Act D. Writing, learning to write. Read the given letter and notice its features. स्टूडेंट आपने इस लेटर को रीड करना है। रीड करने के बाद आपने इसको कुछ फीचर्स हैं वो नोट करने हैं। जैसे सबसे पहले राइटर एड्रेस है, फिर उसके बाद रिसीवर एड्रेस है, फिर डेट है, सैल्यूटेशन है, बॉडी है और राइटर नेम है। दिस इज़ अ फॉर्मल लेटर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइटर एड्रेस है हफ्सा, हाउस नंबर 271 सेक्टर बी फैसलाबाद। रिसीवर एड्रेस है XYZ अथॉरिटी फैसलाबाद। उसके बाद डेट है अक्टूबर 15, 2021। उसका सब्जेक्ट है रेन वाटर ड्रेनेज। रिस्पेक्टेड सर, सैल्यूटेशन है, आई एम राइटिंग दिस लेटर टू इन्फॉर्म यू अबाउट द इशू ऑफ रेन वाटर ड्रेन every year in the monsoon season. Our neighborhood is flooded with rainwater as the drainage system becomes choked. We have requested the area committee many times, but the situation remains the same. Our lives have become difficult and there is the real danger of a disease breakout badly in our neighborhood. Please consider this issue, giving it is the highest priority. This is the body of the letter. In the last, we write the writer name. Yours sincerely, Hafsa. Act 2, Creative Writing. Write a letter to the editor of any children magazine about pollution in your area. Dear student, this is your home task. Write a letter to the editor of any चिल्ड्रन मैगजीन अबाउट पोल्यूशन इन योर एरिया। स्टूडेंट, ये आपको एज अ सैम्पल लेटर जो है वो दिखाया गया है। इस सैम्पल के अकॉर्डिंग आपने खुद से कोई एक लेटर राइट करना है जिसमें आप अपने ही एरिया में पोल्यूशन के मुतालिक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। एंड दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ दिस लेटर। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द डिस्कशन ऑफ यूनिट 13 पार्ट 3 completed. Dear student, after completing this unit, I hope you will be able to use pre-reading strategies, reading strategies, post-reading strategies, relate their feelings and experiences to what is read, rising and falling intonation pattern, apply strategies to comprehend questions, apply spelling change in plural forms of regular and irregular nouns and in regular verbs forms, simple past and continuous tense. Identify and practice making simple sentences to show instructions, commands, requests and strong feelings. Write an informal letter and formal letter of application. Write a reply to a short informal letter from friends and family members. Revise written work for layout, legibility, vocabulary. Dear student, read the whole lesson carefully and do the written practice of dictation words and learn the whole activities and do the written practice of important activities. And also learn the question answer and do the written practice of question answer. Take care and Allah Hafiz.